Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on CapCut PC. So I am going to use this video here and I'm just going to copy and paste it. Select text and add in your default text and add it underneath. And on the second video I'm just going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. If this would just click, there we go. Select the text and just type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in music and I'm just going to make it super big like this. And I'm going to find a font that I like. Let's see. Maybe this one. And I'm going to leave the color white, copy and paste it. I'm just going to place it on top. Then I'm going to select this preset style and I'm going to go to stroke thickness and I'm just going to make it kind of thin. And after that I'm going to right click on the text, create compound clip, go to video, go to basic, and I am going to select the screen one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!